Hi, my name is Riddhi, and I'm going to teach you how to code in Python over the next few videos. But before we start, what is Python and what is coding? A lot of people know that coding and programming has something to do with computers, but it's a lot more than that. Computers don't have a brain of their own, and so they need to be told what to do step by step. Coding is the act of writing a computer program which contains the step-by-step instructions that a computer must follow in order to achieve something. Think of it like a recipe. Just how a recipe tells you what ingredients to mix and how to mix them, a computer program tells the computer what data to use and how to use it. So, how is a computer program written? A computer program is written using a programming language. Just how you and I may converse in English, a computer converses in a programming language. There are many different programming languages out there. There is Java, C, C++, and of course the language that we will be learning, Python. So one common misconception amongst young adults is that the programming language that you learn really matters a lot. And I'm here to break the ice. It really doesn't. The basics of programming stay the same across the different languages. It's just the syntax, which is the way the language is written, that varies. For example, in British English, color is spelt with a U, but in American English, color is spelt without a U. Although color with a U and without a U mean the same thing, they vary in how they're written. So if you're interested in understanding more programming concepts and how to program in Python, this course is perfect for you.